Welcome to weldinghubs.com. Search weldinghubs.com before you decide. Welding Hubs provide top 4 best CNC plasma table for the money. Let's get started with the list. Add number 4 STV Motorsport Sparks 4400 4x4 CNC plasma cutting table. Installation type: plasma cutting, maximum cut speed, 600 inches a minute. Table surface: replaceable steel slat. Input power: 110,220 VVAC. Add number 3 STV Motorsport Sparks 510 5x10 STV CNC plasma table. Cutting area: 1500 mm x 2500 mm. Installation type: plasma cutting. Dimensions: 144 x 83 x 58 inches. Weight: 450. Add number 2 Gasox Fuel Flame CNC Plasma Tab Levis Budget CNC Plasma Table. Cutting area: 1500 mm x 2500 mm. Installation type: plasma cutting. Dimensions: 118.11 x 98.43 x 39.37 inches. Weight: 1,320 pounds. Add number 1 Small CNC Plasma Table. Bailey Pint 22 CNC Plasma Cutting Table with 5 casters, 110 V. Cutting area: 1500 mm x 2500 mm. Installation type: plasma cutting. Dimensions: 29 x 31. Weight: 500. Thanks for watching the video. For more information about welding, please visit our website.